We're at Travelers World RV Resort in San Antonio, Texas. This is Site T at Travelers World in San Antonio. And it is a back-in spot, full hookups. It has a nice pad here. It's a pretty level site. It's on gravel. And we back up to the river here in the Riverwalk. There is a fence in between. And we've got this little Roosevelt Ave bridge here. So I'll come back to the back side. And we have 2 water spouts. The water pressure here is crazy. It's definitely a little strong and you need a regulator, but it's awesome when you take a shower. Then we've got cable with about 40 channels, and we've got our sewer hookup right here. Then electric and our water hookup. Our electric outlet is actually kind of in the neighbor's site here. So it's right here, and then we have 50 and 30 hookup there. So coming around to the front here, we parked really close to the neighbor's side. But coming around to the front, we've got a nice long spot to park the Jeep. And we are on the cul-de-sac here, where there's some rental homes, and then we've got pull-through sites, and then other back-end sites here. And there are no fire pits here. It's very windy, but we do have a picnic table at our site. Our spot, which is T, is in this back of this cul-de-sac, and we've got pull-throughs. There's some rental cabins back here, and walking forward, we're about maybe a 4-minute walk to the facilities, pool, and laundry. The park is a good mix of full-time and then also short stays. There are some mobile homes on the outskirts. A lot of the inside, they're all pull-throughs here on this area. This is the pool and spa area. The pool goes to 8 feet deep. There's also a small spa, and there are tables and chairs and also sun chairs around the pool. This is the dog park, and it has a double fence, then a gravel area along the side, AstroTurf in the middle, a couple play items for dogs to play with, and then there are 2 benches for humans to sit on. There's a mini golf and play area right here, and the mini golf is 6 holes, and my husband and I actually played. It was kind of fun. There are golf clubs and balls provided. This is the kids' playscape area. We've got some swings, a tire swing, a little jungle gym area to climb on, and then a few slides on the front part. This is the pickleball court, and there's a table with an umbrella, and then you have the court here. And then just beyond, on the other side, there is a horseshoe pit. This is the rec hall, and outside there's a nice smoker grill, like a fire pit grill, some tables and chairs, and inside there is a big rec hall with room for, whatever, a lot of functions. There's a little bar in there as well, but due to COVID, it is closed. This is the laundry room, and there are 8 washers and 8 dryers. Both take credit cards, use an app, or take old-fashioned quarters. It's $2 for the wash cycle, $2 for 45 minutes for the dry cycle. There are 2 folding tables in here, an iron and ironing board, and then even like a little cute little missing socks clip thing in case you lost your socks. And there is one little chair and table in here too if you just want to hang out with your laundry. This is one of the restrooms. This one's by the pool, but they all kind of look very similar. So we've got a sink here, mirror, the toilet, and then there's an automatic dryer, place to hang your stuff, and then a shower here, which is very clean and quite spacious. This is the accessible bathroom by the pool. and it's quite large, obviously. There's a bench in here, the toilet, another air dryer, and then let's open this up. And there's a big shower area, the shower wand, and there's even a seat in the shower. This is the registration office. Due to COVID, it's not open right now, but it was really great to check in. You just have a packet waiting for you. During non-COVID times, it's also a small gift shop and just a small shop if you forgot anything. One thing to note, the water pressure is 160 pounds. That is no joke. The water pressure is amazing here, and definitely you need a regulator. And propane is available at this park. And there's even a dump station at this RV park. Across the street, there's a cute little Mexican restaurant that actually has amazing breakfast burritos. We're also located right on the Riverwalk, and there's a bus to downtown right in front of the RV park.